Many experts are predicting a recession for 2023. What does that mean for the housing market?
Many economists are in fact predicting a recession for 2023, and I think the question on a lot of people's minds is, what is that going to mean for the housing market? So we're going to take a look back at the last 6 recessions and see what occurred both within the housing market and with mortgage interest rates. So the good news is a recession does not necessarily mean falling housing prices. If you check out the chart that we have on the screen here, in the last 6 recessions, 4 out of the last 6, there was actually home price appreciation. In the 2 instances where there was depreciation, one was very subtle, 1991, it was negative 1.9%. And of course, we all remember 2008, the big mortgage meltdown, housing crisis. That was a very dramatic drop, minus 19.7%. But all in all, history has shown us that homes continue to appreciate generally during recessions.
Yeah, and I think when people think of recession, they think of the last major recession, and that was in 2008, 2009, and it was caused by the housing market crash. So when people generally think about recession, they think falling home prices, and really that's generally not always the case. As you can see here, 4 out of the last 6 recessions, home prices were actually up. So that is a very good sign, and nobody's predicting a housing crash here anytime soon. All right, next let's take a look at what mortgage rates did in the last 6 recessions. And actually, if we go into a recession, it's actually good news for mortgage rates, because in each of the last 6 recessions, as you can see, rates fall. And they have to lower rates to kind of perk up the economy and get it going again. So as you can see, in 1980, 1981, rates fell 4.25% and 5% down. 1991, 2.25%. And then the last few recessions beyond that, rates actually fell about 1%. So if there is a recession heading into 2023, we can expect rates to trend down, and they are kind of already forecasting rates to trend down later in 2023.
So if we do in fact go into a recession in 2023, it's not all doom and gloom. It does not mean that there is going to be a major housing market crash. Again, as historical data has shown us, houses tend to appreciate and mortgage interest rates tend to decline a bit.
So what are your thoughts on the 2023 housing market and or economy? Put your comments down below. Let us know your thoughts on where you think the market's headed. And as always, if you have any questions about the housing market in this current environment, or any questions on buying or selling a home, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.